Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 shutdown box keeps popping up randomly. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type DISM space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /check health. Type DISM space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /scan health. Type DISM space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /restore health. Type SFC space, /scano. Exit and restart system. Second method is, type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, click Disable all, click Apply, click OK, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.